Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. It's been a long time. I think I've been on this channel. I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I'm not too sure. But right now I'm back, trying to ease myself back into YouTube. And as you guys know, I'm done with my fancy intro. And as you guys know, I like to vibe up. So I'm going to be playing a few songs. You guys remember this song? If I tell you, say I know you feel your body. Now crazy, if I tell you, say I know you feel your body. You guys remember this song? And the way you make me want. And the way you make me want to see down. Hey, I'm gonna call you Carolina. You guys remember this song? Hey, on the beat is very good. But when I was broke, I'm still broke. Because I don't get too much. I've been thinking of you, girl, when they put me for cruise, girl, they take me for fool, girl, just because I say I love you. I'm catching cold. He says it's my vlog. Okay. I'm catching cold. Okay. You know what it is. Let's go. I'm on Nigerian, Nigerian love in the sea. Nigerian motivation, the KBC. I'm on Nigerian, motivation, Pepsi. I'm on Nigerian, I'm going to lose the PPC. I don't know that part. Coco male, lole, moja mokwe, mola lube. Song that I made. Girl, you're behind is a killer. I can see you sensual. Cigarette, I want cigarette. When you wrinkle and waver, you must be intentional. Cigarette. Ready, sweetie? Mobile. Don't want to keep it. Want to pass in go baby. You want you know there, baby. Cigarette, I'm a cigarette, cigarette, I'm a cigarette. See me cigarette, and why not be I love the way you look tonight. I wanna put my hands on your waist, cause I'm loving your sexy body. Move my to have a taste, it be like hanging over.
Oh, you rappers, hey. I've moved on to greater things. I will see you in a jiffy. Thank you. Alpha 1827776. One more big Mitch. Damn.
Oh now yeah.
Undubi Ufa. Cannot fast come.
I don't know this anymore.
Let us see you. She ain't looking punk.
I like this Shontizu song. All of you this 10 minutes, can you imagine? 10 minutes of charging myself up for a video that I want to do. I love Shontizu, I just like it. Like, I need to switch on the video. Hey, the way you want, you like the original Jeremy. Battery, I can't come up on like this. I mean, the video. Anyone I want, Jeremy, let's wrap up with a zone 2. Just random song there, just one. What the hell? What do you want zone 2 again? Oh, who does this shaku shaku? Oh, this is a zone 2. Alright guys, I'm probably going to make this into a video. I didn't plan to make this into a video. So this is me preparing for a proper video, and since I've been recording for like 12 minutes, I'm probably just going to upload this to YouTube. Hopefully none of these music people just come and tag me. Just let's have fun. And yeah, now my battery is low. I need to clear this memory card and start filming the video I actually want to film. So if you see me wearing this outfit again, that was just 10 minutes of me goofing around. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. I have something similar that I recorded, but in fact I will upload all of them. I have lots of them. If you want to see more of them, let me know. Comment section down below. Subscribe and check out my haul that I'm going to be recording in a bit. Bye guys.